Hey everyone, today, we have something special for all you aspiring affiliate marketers out there. We're going to share our top 3 tips to help you boost your affiliate marketing game. Are you ready to dive into these tips and make some serious money? Let's get started. Tip number 1, choose the right niche. It's crucial to select a niche that you're passionate about and that aligns with your audience's interests. This way, you can create authentic content that resonates with your followers and builds trust. So remember, finding the right niche is the foundation of your success as an affiliate marketer. Moving on to tip number 2, build a loyal community. Focus on building a genuine connection with your audience. Engage with them through comments, direct messages, and live sessions. Your community is your biggest asset. When they trust and believe in you, they'll be more likely to purchase products you recommend, earning you those sweet commissions. So, grow your community to maximize your affiliate marketing success. And finally, tip number 3, diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on one affiliate program or product. And diversify your income sources. But also increase your earning potential. Plus, you'll have more opportunities to find products that truly resonate with your audience. Boost your affiliate marketing income. Follow us for more tips and tricks to level up your affiliate marketing game. Briefcase Money with Wings.